Picture this. You're fast asleep after a hectic day at work when suddenly your phone starts buzzing. It's multiple notifications from different apps checking it's really you trying to log in. You're half asleep and confused with all these multi-factor authentication requests. So you hit yes and they stop. You go back to sleep, but you've just let cybercriminals into your account. This is called a fatigue attack, and they're becoming more common. Good news. Microsoft Authenticator has a plan to protect you from your sleepy self. It's called number matching, and it's simple. When you get a login notification, you have to type in a number displayed on your app. Yes, it's a little extra work, but it forces you to think about the login notification, not just hit a button. And that keeps you safer. Whether you already use Microsoft Authenticator or not, we can help you get it set up. That's your tech update. More next week.